Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about a frequently asked question on the table, that is how to fill your text design with any image of any type, whether it is a pattern, landscape, gradient color image, or something, without using any professional softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator, in order to make your designs stand out among all other designs in your platform. Thus, this video is for you because I'd like to show you 3 different amazing methods to blend any image of any type onto your text design unbelievably. Now let's get started with the first method is by using this amazing tool. It's topbubbleindex.com. Topbubbleindex.com. This spectacular website is a Redbubble game changer because it combines more than 6 tools together in one tool. And for sure I have talked about this awesome tool in details in previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And as for today's topic, to fill any text with any image of any type, all you have to do is just to go to this one, design tools, okay, and select this one, design editor, okay, click over that, and here you can make your own text-based design, okay. So first of all, you have to customize the dimensions of your design from here, dimensions, and you can insert dimensions of your design according to your apparel like t-shirt, leggings, tank top, or so on. Okay, or simply you can customize your dimensions from here, custom, and here you can insert your desired dimensions for width and for height, like 5 thousandths for both width and height, okay, as you see here, and save changes. Or you can design your text-based design in an accurate way by choosing your apparel or your product from this one, preview, and here you can design directly on your product like essential t-shirt, tank top, v-neck, and etc. So we can select this one, essential t-shirt, and you see here this canvas you can make your own text-based design, okay. And first of all you have to add text from here, text, and when you select any text you will find here a lot of editing tools. Like you can change this text, change its font, make it bold, italic, change its color, make it smaller or bigger, spacing, make it curved, and so on, okay. So we can type here, for example, I love my, okay, we can make it bigger as you see, make it bold, perfect. Just we can add another text from here, select it, change it to my dog, okay, we can make it bigger from here, perfect. We can change its font, for example we can select this one, photo slab, as you see, we can make it italic, perfect. And now, how to fill any text, any word with your image, with your pattern. Simply, just select any text line like this one or this one and go down to this option, effects. Here you can add a gradient colors to this word or this text line, shadow or stroke, or this option, pattern. Here you can fill this text or this word with your image, like pattern, landscape, a gradient color image, and so on. So click over that pattern, choose file, so we can select one of these beautiful backgrounds like this one, red brick wall, okay, open, as you see here. And unfortunately in topbubbleindex.com you can't fill your entire design with the same picture, just you have to select individual text line or individual word, okay. And now let's move on to the next tool, which is vistacreate.com. Vistacreate is a Canva alternative, okay. So first of all, just you can customize your dimensions here, like 3 thousandths, and here you can make your text design, okay. So you can add text from here, text part. For example, we can add any text style like this one, okay, as you see here, make it bigger, perfect, group, and group. Okay, and as a previous one, you have to select any word or any text line to fill it with any pattern, any image, any landscape, and so on. Okay, so we can select this one, rise word, as you see here, and you will find up here some editing tools like changing font, color, make it bold, make it smaller, bigger, and something like that. And just we can go to this three dots here, click over it, and here you'll find this option to add a mask to this text or this word, like this one, add a mask. And here you can upload any image of any type, like pattern, landscape, gradient color image to fill this text. So we can try here, we can go to this one, backgrounds, and we can select anyone like this picture. That's it. Okay, and you can do the same way for all texts or all words. Okay, however, if you have a design with different styles, with different text styles and different fonts, and you want to fill this entire design with the same picture, with the same image at the same time, so you have to try this third option today, which is PowerPoint. Yes, you heard him right, PowerPoint. And of course, I have talked about in previous videos how to create a beautiful design just by using PowerPoint. Okay, you'll find these videos below in the first comment. And to be quick, like this design with different font styles, with different text styles. Okay, so how to fill this entire text all in all with the same picture, with the same image, with the same pattern at the same time? Simply just select all these words, select this one, press shift in your keyboard as you see here, and go to this one, format, and text fill as you see, and just to go to this one, picture here. Okay, click over it, from a file, so we can select this one, with brick wall, insert. That's it. As here you will find your image and your picture directly applied to your entire design, unlike the previous ones. And as I said before, if you don't know how to create beautiful design just by using PowerPoint, you'll find these videos below in the first comment. And now you have known how to fill your design, your text-based design with any image of any type, like pattern, landscape, gradient color image, and so on. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.